Did you know that Americans spend over $13 billion on Halloween decorations each year? That's a huge market to tap into. With the right products, like unique wall art, you can grab a piece of that market and start making serious money. Today, I'll show you how to do that by reselling high-quality Halloween wall art prints. And don't worry, these aren't AI generated, so you won't be dealing with oversaturated content. You can start this business for just $2 to $3. You might have heard about reselling AI-generated art, but let's be honest, it's everywhere. AI art is free to create, which makes the market crowded and your chances of profit minimal. That's why I'm offering a different approach. Complex, thoughtfully designed Halloween wall art that's hard to replicate. Plus, these prints come with commercial rights for physical products, something you won't find in most other listings. The best part? You can grab this exclusive bundle for just $2 to $3 through the link below. The sale is ending soon, so don't miss out. These Halloween prints are perfect for reselling as high-quality physical products. You can price them much higher, $10, $20, or more per print with no inventory hassle. Let me walk you through how to get started and maximize your profits this season. So, how do you get started? Click the link in the description to purchase this bundle for just around $3, cheaper than a cup of coffee. Once you purchase, you'll have instant access to all the files. Now that you have the files, head over to Printify and create a free account. Once your shop is set up, go to the dashboard to explore all the product options available: posters, canvas prints, t-shirts, mugs, phone cases, and more. For this demo, let's keep it simple and choose posters or canvas prints. Now let's start designing. Upload your design to the product and see how easy it is to adjust the layout. You can resize, reposition, and select the perfect canvas size. You can even choose multiple size variants to offer a range of options. These designs are versatile. You can use them not just for wall art, but also on t-shirts, mugs, and phone cases for seasonal sales or gifts. Once you're happy with the design, simply save the product and you're ready to go. Once your design is uploaded, it's time to set up your product listing. Add a catchy title, an engaging description, and include relevant keywords to help customers easily find your product. Now, let's talk pricing. Since you purchased the entire bundle for just $2 to $3, and Printify's printing costs start as low as $1 per print, you can list each item for $10, $15, or even $20, getting a great profit margin. Printify conveniently calculates all related costs for you, including shipping. You can also customize your product details and select the sizes you want to offer. Notice how Printify displays the costs and your potential profit for each variant. Once everything looks good, simply connect your store and publish the listing. Once your listing is ready, you can start selling directly from your Printify store. Share your store link with customers, promote it on social media, or even embed it on your website for easy access. If you'd prefer to reach a larger marketplace, you can connect your Printify account to platforms like Etsy or Shopify. Simply go to the dashboard, select Connect to Etsy or Shopify, and follow the prompts to link your store. With millions of users searching for seasonal decor, your listing will reach a much wider audience. And because your products are unique, you can confidently set higher prices. Now let's head over to Etsy and see the potential earnings. Check out this listing. It has over 42,000 reviews for a physical wall art product priced at around $15. Now let's explore the store as a whole. They offer various Halloween decor items similar to what you could create. This store has made over 272,358 sales. At an average price of $15 per product, that's over $4 million in revenue. And this could be you. With the right products and effective marketing, there's incredible potential to build a profitable business, all starting from a small investment. Now that your product is live, let's get the word out. Share your listings on Instagram, TikTok, and Pinterest, using hashtags like Halloween decor and wall art for sale. Make your posts eye-catching, showcasing how the prints add a festive vibe to any Halloween setting. Use phrases like limited stock or only available until Halloween to create urgency. Remember, the more festive it feels, the quicker it sells. Ready to start making money? Click the link below to grab this bundle of 13 unique Halloween wall art designs for just $3 using the promo code SAVE25. But act fast, the sale won't last, and this low price won't come back. Start your reselling journey today, and you could be making $150 a day in no time. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe for more tips on making money online and building a profitable business. Good luck and happy selling!